You come slowly. You come and tell where you stand. Yes, I stand is there. And I will show opponent. Then I will take the position. I will hit the ball. Okay?
Yes, sir.
But question comes. What is the wrong service? Is it right or wrong service?
It's right, sir.
Huh?
Right service.
Right
It's the
service.
right
But
service.
when it will be wrong? If I make service hitting time from here, it is a
Wrong.
wrong, because I must complete my service between the two lines. Service in there.
Inside the 9 centimeters.
Yes, I should not touch the line
Wrong.
when I am hitting the ball. I should not keep inside my feet when the hitting the ball. I should not hitting the ball with two-hand service, because service should be one contact.
Yes.
Understand? If the service going there and touch the antenna and then only get inside the court, it is a wrong. Am I right? Suppose you stand here, he is my teammate, he stands like this, he is a player. I am making service here, before touching, ball has touched him. Is it correct service?
No, sir.
No. If any part of any other player or any object touch before going to the ball opponent court, it is a wrong service, false service. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now comes screening. Morning, bigger sir told screening. Screening is nothing. Server should be clear to the opponent. Who is serving the ball? The ball give me. Go 3 people there. Another people go.
Okay.
Take position 1 is to another. Go close. Go close everybody.
Same,
Go
same
close.
bang na hai ki khai.
Go close. Come
Close,
close everybody. Suppose they are standing like that. I am server this team. Tactfully I stand behind them. Then I make the service. You wave your hand. Wave your hand, both hands. So opponent team is disturbing to see the clear. Suppose they overbob, move. I service this side. It is a wrong, because they should not make any screen when I am serving. This is a screening. Suppose I am only 5 feet height. If I go near the net, it is not a screening. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Screening when the server make his service, complete his service in between the spinner line. Those are moving in that line. That is a understand?
Yes, sir.
For service, before hit of the ball, you must lift the ball. It should be in air. This is not service. This is wrong.
Wrong.
Palta de. This is wrong. Take it. Take it. I must release like that. So referee can see open. Yes, they leave the ball. There, right. Any question regarding service? Another thing is that, suppose you know the rotation order is going on.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I am in zone number 2. This is zone number 1. This is 4, 5, and 6. Okay? Suppose I am zone number 2 player. I got my service. So I am to go for service. If by mistake I was here, after whistle of the referee, I run, done the service. That is a rotation fault.
Fault.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Because he is to come here, but in place of him I came. It is a wrong. It is a rotation order fault. Understand? This is a rotation order fault. Service is also fault. If the ball after hit during service, ball goes to the opponent court outside of the antenna, it is also
Wrong.
fault. If the ball touch any object, suppose one second referee is there, suppose the first referee is there, second referee is there. I am on, hey, cycle mere uma. I am serving for, I am allowed to service from here. Okay? So my service touched the second referee and then gone into the opponent goal. It is also fault. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Server can run from anywhere, maximum 8 meter distance from the service area. because wickets are told one volleyball court, 9-meter breadth, 18-meter length, and behind mane both sides behind the service area, maximum 8 meter you can keep free, and beside side also you can free. You should keep free 5 meter. Generally, we are keeping behind 5 meter and side 3 meter. If it is abandoned place, good competition, very standard competition, Indian team player comes, you must keep behind 8 meter gap and side 5 meter gap. Understand?
Yes, sir.
This is called free zone. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Being a server, I can referee has done the whistle. I can come from here with service. I can come, I can dribble, whatever, anything I can do. I can do like this thing, no problem. Within 8 seconds, server should hit the ball. Otherwise, 1001, 1002, 1003, 8 seconds. If it is 8 seconds, you over, if you do the whistle. That is also service wrong. You allow anybody, he can come from that corner, no problem. But he should make the service, this part to that part. From service area, he should complete, he should hit the service. My service touched the net and gone to the opponent court. Is it right or wrong?
Right.
Right. Previous it was wrong. But it is a right. And after that, it is a right. Okay? I have done my service. Under the net, ball goes to the opponent court. It is right?
No, sir. No, sir.
It is wrong.
Wrong.
Any question about the service?
No, sir. No,
No. Then comes, you see, backfoot attack. This is very vital and important. Rule says backline player cannot attack the ball. Which ball is above of the upper level of the net. You understand my point? Backline player means frontline player. How many players frontline?
Three.
Okay. Backline player?
Three.
6 players. So backline player, they are not allowed to attack the ball,
Inside the
touch or cross the
above
attack line. The ball which is above the height of the net
Net.
level. Suppose ball is this height, I am short. If I do like this, is it false? No.
No.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
No. If ball is up, if I jump and attack the ball with touching this line, and ball was above the height of the net, that is a wrong. Mind it. Do not disguise anybody.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Being a backline player, I cannot pass from here also, outside of the court also, because some imaginary line is there.
Taking sub.
Yes, imaginary line.
Imaginary line.
Outside of the pipeline will be there.
Yes.
Understand?
20,
So being a backline player, I cannot come here and I cannot touch here and attack. It is also
Fault.
fault. Understand?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the imaginary line, extension line.
But he can jump outside the line.
Yes, you can jump here without touching and land here, no problem. But no case, you can touch the line and jump and hit the ball, which was above the net. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Backline player. Another thing is libero. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Rules is there. Libero cannot hit, attack
Check.
any part of the court, from any part of the court. Sir, one libero attack from here, jump up and attack from here without touching the line. No.
Fault.
Right, false. Any part of the court, libero is not allowed to attack the ball. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Libero can only from this part, underarm pass.
Receiving.
If libero come here from this set the ball, there is also foul. If libero come here, if libero is I'm playing libero, I go there and make the underarm pass to the
Right.
attacker. It is a
Right.
right. He cannot use his finger. Understand? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Only underarm pass. He can from here he can pass. No.
But
But
not from
from here he cannot pass any ball to the attacker. If pass, immediately it is fault.
only under.
Only underarm pass he can hit. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Libro, any problem?
No, sir.
Then comes, what is the one I want to say? Oh, block. Regarding block you see. Block says, if the opponent court attack, if any ball comes from the opponent, and the central line player, 1, 2, 3 players, they have only right to put the ball. It means they have only right to touch the ball even into the opponent court by only these 3 players. Suppose I am backline player, 3 players stand there, 3 players anything. But this is the 3 player, okay? Sometimes 3-man block is there.
Yes, sir.
I am a backline player. Cheating to the opponent, you come back. Cheating to the opponent, I also join there. And I also jump. But ball has stuck there, even though it is my fault. It is a team fault. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Backline player neither can block
Neither can attack.
from the inside sector. Clear?
Yes, sir.
The blocking action also is wrong. Anything, if you jump, if I jump with you also, there is also fall. If ball not touch me also, because I am a libero, I have no right to block the ball. Even morning I have seen one service can block. No. One service coming from there and being a tall blocker, he blocks the service. Is it right?
No, sir.
He directly strike the ball. That service. It is right?
No, sir.
Service neither can attack directly nor can
Block.
block. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Make it clear. Don't confuse to any other. My idea to give some knowledge to you. And you have to transfer. You have to transmit. You have to forward your knowledge to your friends, village people, other sports lovers, volleyball players. Understand?
Yes, sir.
That is why I am going my effort, giving my effort to teach you something.
Yes, sir.
Any question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now
One.
comes very vital. Backline player
Sir.
and frontline player.
Sir.
Positional form. Everybody go outside.
Sir.
Sir,
Excuse
one
me, sir.
question.
I had one confusion. This one about the screening. About the screening, if we wave our hand, then it is fault, sir.
Now, if opponent are getting disturbed, suppose I am serving from there,
Yes.
skinny people throwing here and throwing like this.
No.
Continuing, no.
No.
You are servicing that
It should be
here.
like straight.
Yes, if it is straight,
Ball is straight.
ball cross. If it is skidding, that is only
Fall.
skidding. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now comes, this is very vital, position of player. Everybody go outside. Everybody go outside. Go. Hey, Tora can sell you. Everybody keep your back. Anything. Who will come here? Who will come here? Anyone come? Any girls come?
Girls.
The man who are you are afraid, come. Let's
Go.
better avastha. You number 1 player, you number 2, you number 3, you number 4, you number 5, go corner. You number 6, you go take care.
Back.
Then you will get there. Your bag, nobody will take it. So this is the 6th player. Understand? 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 are all in front line player.
Yes.
And 5,
6.
6 and 1 for the back line player. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Everything is considerable by the referee on the hitting time of the ball, service hitting time of the ball. Every player should be his or her own position. Understand?
Yes, sir.